Let us discuss formation of partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary function from f of uv equal to 0. Let us explain with an example. Form the partial differential equation by eliminating the arbitrary function from f of x square plus y square z minus xy is equal to 0. The given expression is labeled as equation 10, that is f of x square plus y square z minus xy is equal to 0. Let us take u is equal to x square plus y square and v is equal to z minus xy, so that equation 10 becomes f of uv is equal to 0. Now we differentiate equation 11 partially with respect to x. Then we will get dou f by dou u into dou u by dou x plus dou f by dou v into dou v by dou x is equal to 0. And since u is equal to x square plus y square, dou u by dou x is going to be 2x, and since v is equal to z minus xy, dou v by dou x is dou z by dou x minus y. That dou z by dou x can be written as small p, hence we have the expression dou f by dou u into 2x plus dou f by dou y dou v into p minus y is equal to 0. Now we differentiate equation 11 again partially with respect to y. Then we get dou f by dou u into dou u by dou y plus dou f by dou v into dou v by dou y equal to 0 by composite function rule. Now dou u by dou y, since u is x square plus y square, dou u by dou y is going to be 2y, hence we substitute 2y here, and dou v by dou y is given from v. Dou v by dou y is dou z by dou y minus x. Dou z by dou y is denoted by small q, hence dou v by dou y is small q minus x. We have substituted over here. Now eliminating dou f by dou u and dou f by dou y dou v from equations 12 and 13. For that we take the determinant of the coefficients is equal to 0. That is 2x p minus y 2y q minus x. Determinant of this expression is equal to 0. So that 2x into q minus x minus 2y into p minus y is equal to 0. On simplification we get x cube minus yp is equal to x square minus y square, which is the required partial differential equation. Let us have another example. Find the differential equation of all planes which are at a constant distance from the origin. We are first writing the equation of all planes in the normal form, which is given by Lx plus My plus Nz is equal to A, where L, M, N are direction cosines of the normal from the origin to the plane. Then we have the relation between them as L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1, from which we can write N is equal to square root of 1 minus L square minus M square. Now we substitute the value of n in equation 14. We get Lx plus My plus root of 1 minus L square minus M square into Z is equal to A. Now differentiating this equation 16 partially with respect to x, we get L plus square root of 1 minus L square minus M square into P is equal to 0. We got P from dou z by dou x. Here first time while we differentiate with respect to x, L is constant, derivative of x is 1, and M and Y are constants with respect to x, hence the derivative of this term is going to be 0. Hence we have L plus root of 1 minus L square minus M square into P is equal to 0. Now differentiate the same equation again partially with respect to y. We get the first term reduced to 0 because L and x are constants with respect to y, and in the second term y is a variable, m is a constant, the m into derivative of y with respect to y is 1 plus this term is constant, that is square root of 1 minus L square minus m square into dou z by dou y, which is nothing but q, is equal to 0 because a is a constant, its partial derivative with respect to y is also going to be 0. Now we have to eliminate L and m from equations 16, this is equation 16, 17 and 18. Now from equation 17 we can rewrite this as L is equal to minus square root of 1 minus L square minus m square into p, and from equation 18 we can write m is equal to minus square root of 1 minus L square minus m square into q. Squaring and adding, we get left hand side is L square plus m square is equal to 1 minus L square minus m square into p square minus q square. Or while we open the bracket on the right, we will get 1 times p square plus q square minus L square plus m square into p square plus q square. On simplification, we get 1 minus L square minus m square is equal to 1 minus p square plus q square divided by 1 plus p square plus q square. On simplification, we get 1 by 1 plus p square plus q square. And substituting these values in equations 17 and 18, we get L is equal to minus p by square root of 1 plus p square plus q square, and m is equal to minus q by square root of 1 plus p square plus q square. Substituting the values of L and m in the expression 1 minus L square minus m square in equation 16, we get minus px divided by square root of 1 plus p square plus q square minus qy divided by square root of 1 plus p square plus q square plus 1 divided by square root of 1 plus p square plus q square into z is equal to a. Or we can multiply throughout by square root of 1 plus p square plus q square and transform the negative terms to the right. We will get z is equal to px plus qy plus a into square root of 1 plus p square plus q square, which is the required partial differential equations. There are some problems for solving as exercises. We will provide it later from both types. That is forming partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary constants and forming partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary functions.